Thank you for choosing St. Martin as your vacation destination. We look forward to showing you the best of our island. St. Martin is comprised of 37 square miles and is the smallest island shared by two countries, France and the Netherlands. Its residents have been living together in harmony since 1648. Known for its cultural diversity, there are over 100 nationalities represented on St. Martin. While the official languages are French and Dutch, English is generally spoken everywhere. Having an average temperature of 81 degrees Fahrenheit year-round, St. Martin is the perfect destination to enjoy the sun, sand, and water, as well as a host of other outdoor activities. When your cruise ship docks in the port of Philipsburg, you will be arriving on the southeast coast of the Dutch side of St. Martin. Philipsburg is the capital of the Dutch side and is also the island's ultimate shopping destination, with a host of shops offering duty-free and tax-free goods. The shops and restaurants of Front Street are walking distance from the ship. Or you can take a water taxi, which will drop you off along the beautiful tree-lined boardwalk on Great Bay Beach. When you're finished shopping, you can enjoy a meal at one of the many restaurants and beach bars that line the boardwalk. And if you want to get more than your toes wet, you can rent chairs and umbrellas on the sand and enjoy the beach for the afternoon. Whether you choose to explore the shops and restaurants of Front Street and the boardwalk in Philipsburg, or decide to explore more of the island, we promise you won't be disappointed. While the island has 39 beautiful beaches to choose from, and each one has its own character, one of the most popular is Mullet Bay Beach. It is one of the larger Dutch side beaches, and you will certainly enjoy its crystal clear waters and white sand. World-famous Maho Beach sits at the end of the runway of Princess Juliana Airport and is the best spot on the island, and in fact the world, to watch planes land. Flying just several feet above the beach as they approach the runway for landing, you will experience something truly exciting and unique that can only be found in St. Martin.
Always ready for a war again. Go down that road again. It's all the same. Ready to take a life again. You know I'll ride again. It's all the same. Tell me who's gonna save me from myself when this life is all I know. Tell me who's gonna save me from this hell. Without you, I'm alone. Who gon' pray for me?
We will be taking you to the Lucky Stables at the Seaside Nature Park in Key Bay. One of the most unique attractions on the island, the Seaside Nature Park is a former cattle plantation that now offers visitors a rustic outdoor adventure.
Welcome to Seaside Nature Park. My name is Roderick Holly.
My name is Alexandra Holly, and it's a pleasure to have you.
I've had horses all my life. I've been taking guests on rides since I'm about 14 years old, and my hobby grew into a professional business. As a child growing up, this piece of property was part of a cattle ranch that I would come and actually round the cattle for the owners of the property, and it was always a dream of mine to be able to be permanently based on this location to do horseback riding.
With a herd of 65 horses, the Lucky Stables form the heart of the Seaside Nature Park. With over 30 acres of trails, what better way to explore the park than on horseback under the brilliant Caribbean sun? The Seaside Nature Park is the lifelong dream of owners Roderick and Alexandra Holly. Over the years, they have enjoyed sharing St. Martin's outdoor adventures with thousands of visitors who have come to the park to experience the thrill of horseback riding and hiking the trails along the shores of the Caribbean Sea.
Being a family business is part of our missions that there's a place where people can come and enjoy quality time with their family. What better place to go is to walk on the trails, enjoy the animals in the park, and to be outdoors.
Roderick is a fifth-generation St. Martiner who grew up in K-Bay, not far from the cattle plantation that is now the Seaside Nature Park. Roderick and Alexandra offer horseback riding tours for island residents, hotel guests, and day tourists. Their tours are directly available for booking on all the major cruise ships. The one-hour tour will take you along the rocky coastline of K-Bay towards the southernmost part of the island, while enjoying the spectacular views of the neighboring islands of Saba, Statia, St. Kitts, Nevis, and St. Bart's. With the clear blue waters of the Caribbean Sea in front of you, it would not be unusual to spot dolphins, turtles, or even whales during your trail ride. The horses at Lucky Stables are amazing and magical. They are raised and maintained according to the methods of natural horsemanship, and they combine their work with living their horse life, roaming the park with their friends and horse families. In addition to our riding tours offered at the Seaside Nature Park, Lucky Stables also offers a riding school, coordinated by a professional riding instructor who is highly skilled in both English and Western dressage. And the horses at Lucky Stables are suitable for everyone, from the beginner to the most advanced rider. The Seaside Nature Park is also home to a local breed of horses called the Antillano. Their calm and content nature makes them perfect for your walking pace tour through the park.
My name is Vera, and I'm the horseback riding instructor at Seaside Nature Park. Having been a horse professional for the last years in Europe, I moved to the Caribbean for the great climate and the beautiful stables. The Antillean horses make my daily work a pleasure. I give riding lessons in both Western and dressage, for young and old.
In 2017, St. Martin was devastated by Hurricane Irma, the most powerful hurricane to ever hit the Caribbean. With all of the horses miraculously surviving, we are very proud of our brave and magical horses.
Haven't we both heard enough, babe? This is what we're gonna do. Let me put my arms around you once more. There's nothing left here to prove.
September 2017 has been life-changing for us and the horses at Seaside. Letting go free of the horses that day, considering Hurricane Irma was coming our way, felt awful. That all our horses, big and small, made it through this monster storm we consider a miracle. I look forward to welcome you riding these hurricane-proof magical horses.
When you arrive for your adventure, you will first register at our Welcome Center. We will provide you with a safety helmet and you will be given a short instructional briefing. We ask that you take the time to read the instructional signs and ask any questions you may have. In addition to our regular tours, we also offer a Sunset Champagne tour. Because our horseback tours are walking pace, we are able to accommodate guests from 6 years and up. Each tour will consist of a small group of riders with their own guide to maximize the experience of riding in the Caribbean outdoors. Our experienced guides are knowledgeable and able to tell you about the park, the stables, and the island. They can offer information on the flora and fauna of the island, the bird species, and sea life. They can tell you about those amazing iguanas inhabiting the trails, or about the mongoose, pelicans, or egrets that will cross your path or fly overhead during your ride. And our guides are also true horse athletes. Their acrobatic tricks during the trail ride will be an attraction in itself, and even the most novice rider will feel at ease under their guidance.
Welcome to my island, St. Martin. My name is Remy. I'm a trail guy at Seaside Nature Park. We take the tours up and down hills, and you know my best part is taking the people at the Caribbean Sea. So the horses really do love it. So when you enter the water, the horses even smile. So if you've never seen a horse smile, come and ride with us. Yeah.
The highlight of each horseback tour is taking the horses for a cool down into the waters of the Caribbean Sea at the end of each tour. Your horse will turn into a seahorse for a little while, a truly magical experience. Your horse will take you about waist deep into the water, so don't forget to bring a change of clothes. Your shoes can be taken off before going into the water. And don't forget to smile so that our professional photographer can capture this unforgettable moment. When returning from the trails, the shaded beach hut offers a great place to relax, have a cold drink, or something to eat from our local beach bar menu. And don't forget to check out our photo packages when you're back at the Welcome Center.
So we stop at the South Point, we make a little campfire, you can roast your marshmallows, drink your champagne while you're watching the sunset.
Hoping you would stop so I could ask you these simple things like, well, would you love the ocean and well, could you love the ocean with me? 'Cause I'll be yours, love, 'cause I'll be yours, 'cause I'll be yours, my love, my love.
Part of the Seaside Nature Park is also home to the Intervision Foundation, a nonprofit organization whose goal is to promote the nature, culture, and history of the island. The foundation created the Discovery Care Farm, which is home to many different miniature farm animals. The mini horses, pigs, sheep, chickens, and other farm animals are hand-tamed and worth the short walk past the stable grounds. The Discovery Care Farm has also created equine and farm-assisted programs for children and families.
The Discovery Farm is a care farm that we use to run our social projects. These projects focus on education on nature, culture and history and are organized by our foundation. In the farm are mini horses, mini pigs and mini sheep and much more, a great pleasure for families to visit. We have a team that takes care of the farm animals daily, from medical care to daily feeding and fresh grass cuttings, to keep all animals in the park healthy and happy. Besides our professional staff, we get help from a group of great volunteers. They help us out with several projects and special therapeutic activities. All different things to do, and our location makes that the park is a unique place on the island. We offer a real local cultural experience that reminds people about the island life of the old days. This small island of St. Martin develops rapidly, with lots of building and roads, but we want to offer a place that's about going back to nature. Being outdoors, enjoying the trails and beach, meeting and greeting farm animals, or going with the horses for a trail ride or a lesson. We're definitely a place off the beaten track and worth your visit.
Seaside Nature Park is open 7 days a week, and it's open for the general public, tourists and residents alike.
And it's free of charge to enter, so we invite everyone to come out for a walk or hike and enjoy the outdoor life.